Okay, we talk about chocolate, and according to the video, we can see that the chocolate exists many years ago, and in the video, the man say that it's very important. The chocolate and is created by based in a tree called cacao tree, and it's very particular because personally I don't like the smell of this tree, but I like the the chocolate in other forms. I use chocolate for drink in the mornings, and also for give to other people, for give give or given. I don't remember regalo.
Gift. Yes.
Give in the important days.
All right. Perfect. For my part, I really love the chocolate with milk and very lot of sugar, much of sugar. And for example, for me, I really hate the coffee. It's because this is the same reason for I love the chocolate with milk. And I think that the use your first part you say in the video it's very true because in the past in the Mesoamerican civilization the people use the chocolate like medicine and a drink for rituals. And the other part of very interesting is that the people uh, do the chocolate like a drink for a good. This is the name. This is the call it in the past. And in the 60s, I think the people use the chocolate. Use the people. No, only the people can use the chocolate, can drink and do things with this. Is the nobility and the kings. And this is very interesting for in the present that is not the work does. In the present, all of the people can drink, can buy chocolate with without problems.
Yes, it's true.
Okay. Um, Chocolate has a bad part because in the past, uh, European people use slave for plant this cocoa tree, and so many people died for it. Uh, but in the present, I usually drink coffee when the weather is cool. So, or or I prefer drinking coffee in this place when you can see the city at night, or maybe in at, in Santa Elena when I am in a cabin. So this is the place when I prefer drinking some coffee.
All right.
Yeah.
I think that the first part you mentioned is very sad. The slaves died
Yeah.
when for harvest the coffee for the kings for the nobility. That's very sad.
Yes, it's really because I don't know. I think that the people now eat chocolate, but don't think in the past. Don't think how people create chocolate, um, how how much the people suffer for this, and
Yes.
I think that, or also that people believe that the chocolate is amazing and all the plant is just happy and no more.
Yes, and these trees just grow in a very specific conditions in the air.
I
Yes.
think we have a fortune in our land because in our country we can have this cacao tree and another type of plants. So we are we we have a grateful, I think.
Yes. All right. And